Hey guys, if you don't know me, my name is Tiffany Ciara and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video ever, so I'm really excited to be filming today. So let's just get right into the video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a mini makeup haul, and I'm just going to be showing you guys all of the things that I got in the mail. It's not a lot, but that's why it's called a mini makeup haul. So yeah, products that I received are from BH Cosmetics and House of Lashes. And I'm going to be trying on the lipsticks that I got from BH Cosmetics for you guys today. So stay tuned. First, I'm going to be showing you what I got from House of Lashes. So this it included all the lashes that you see in here, plus the one that I'm currently wearing right now. And I think the lashes are called Natalia. Those are the ones that I'm currently wearing. And it came with the other, in here. So I got 5 total, and it also came with this little case, really cute, and I got it in a set. I'm pretty sure it was the I forgot what it was called. I think it was like the mini set, something like that. And on the front it says "Lash Like a Boss," which is really cute. And so I'll show you guys these lashes. So the first pair I got was the Ethereal Mini pair. And I'll show you that. They're really cute, kind of regular lashes, but got a really cute style. Very natural looking and pretty tiny. And the next pair I got was the Wing It Mini. These are really cute. They kind of wing out at the end, so I get why they called it that. It's really cute. Next pair, I got Pixie Mini, and these are really adorable. I think between these and the ones I'm currently wearing, I think I like the most. Because these are kind of like, I don't know, they're really cute. I like them. Then the last pair I got was the Iconic lashes, and these are the bigger, regular size pair. And they're really cute. I got these actually, I think these were the ones that I got for free. Yeah, these were the ones that I got for free. There's a bug flying around. These are the ones that I got for free, and I really like that. You know, I bought 4 pairs and I got an extra one for free, so that's really great. And then I got a case with it, so I can put all my little lashes all in here. Really cute. On to the next. This is the box that I received from BH Cosmetics. I've already opened it. And I'm just going to show it guys inside. On the front it says BH. Well, that's upside down. So BH, whatever. So that's what it comes in. It comes in all this paper. Nice. And basically just all this in here is a card and then return shipping labels, which I do not need. So we'll just toss that over there. Open up the paper now. This is the lipstick I got. I'm excited. So happy to try them all on. And then I also got the BH liquid liner, which is the one that I'm also currently wearing. It's really nice, really pigmented, and it stays on. Paper stuff to the side. The first one I'm going to try on, I'm just going to pick a random one. And I'm going to go with Mel. And this one is really cute. We're just gonna open it right up. Alright, this one is really cute. Just about matches the box. Just about. It just looks like kind of more like a burnt orange to me, but it's really cute. So we're just gonna try this on. Yeah, it's really cute. It's really nice. Like I expected, it kind of dries fast, so I'm glad I did put the chapstick on before. So I'm just gonna put this one back in the box and try on the next one. Okay, so while I'm doing this, I'm like really struggling to take this off. and you guys are gonna see me struggle to take off all these lipsticks throughout the video. And the next color we'll go in with is, I'm gonna go in with Karen. This one's a really, really pretty shade. I like it. It's like a peach color, so we're just gonna put this up. Okay, completely different. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, they're like almost the same shade, but like this looks like fairly like bright pink to me. And this is like a really, really pale pink. As I said previously, the shade looked nothing like it did on the box. And on top of that, it was extremely difficult to remove. I used like probably 3 makeup wipes to try and remove it, and I got as much off as I could, but you could still see that I still have some of the first liquid lipstick left all around my mouth. So, you know, I kept filming because I figured, you know, hey, it'll probably get better, but it really only got worse. This one is Evelyn. Really, really cute color. Kind of like a nudish maroon color. Let's try it on. Dude, these are not the same. These don't really look the same. And it looks exactly the same as the last one. It looks exactly the same. Where is it? Because Karen does not look like her box. See? Like, you could barely tell the difference. And like, this just doesn't match the box at all. But, you know what? We're gonna ignore it. My mouth hurts. My mouth really hurts right now. Okay. So I got that one off, and let's move on to the next one. Let's go for something bold. This one is called Jasmine. Really cute. Yeah, this one is really, really pretty. This one's Monica. We'll try Monica on. Not this one. Yeah, that looks like a box. Like the box. Yep. That one matches. Really different. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, actually this one's better than the other ones. This one feels smoother, actually. Next one I'm gonna try is Giliana. I think that's how you pronounce it. Giliana. Yeah, that makes more sense. Giliana. I think that's what it is. This one's like a really nice chocolate color. It matches the box well. Yep. It's actually cashmere cream. I wonder if this will be different than the other ones. It is in the shade Thirsty. Ooh. It's kind of tight in here. Ooh, it's nice. Now with the cashmere cream, it was not showing up at all. So you're gonna see me put multiple layers on, but it just really didn't show up and it looked really bad. And the last shade I'll be trying on, Electric Blue, I think it is. This is a metallic liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Esmeralda. That's what it looks like. That is so cute. It smells like chemicals. I never thought I would look good in blue lipstick until this day. I wouldn't wear this like out in public. Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't. Oh, just gonna be a struggle. This last one was probably the most difficult to get off. It took me a good 20 minutes and multiple makeup wipes and tissues and tears to get off. Okay guys, I finally took it off. And like as I was taking it off, I literally looked like I ate a blue popsicle. So right now I'm showing you guys all the shades of lipstick on my arm side by side, and as you can see, at least 3 of the shades look exactly alike, much to my disappointment. Although BH Cosmetics is low in price, it seems that their liquid lipstick are also low in quality. I tried to remain positive throughout the video, but ultimately this video was a fail. I recommend only wearing these if you have a good chapstick to wear as a base or better makeup remover than mine. I use makeup wipes from Dollar Tree, so maybe that's why it was so difficult to remove. I will say that the darker shades were cute and I will be wearing those, but the lighter shades don't contrast very well with my skin tone, so I'll probably be giving those to someone else. To conclude, I hope you guys enjoyed my very first video. Let me know in the comments below if you tried BH Cosmetics before and how you liked it. Please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!